Welcome back, children. Today we are going to learn something new. Before that, I would like to ask you, do you have a friend? Yes, teacher too has friends. And if you have a friend, you can play with them, you can enjoy with them, you can share all your secrets with them, and you can even take their help whenever needed. We enjoy with our friends, we talk with them, we listen to them, and we play with them a lot. Children, when your school will start, you all will come together and make new friends too, right? That's good. When you're alone sitting, waiting for a friend, and the friend is not yet come, you feel sad and get bored. But when you get your friends back with you, you're so happy, right, children? Very happy. Today I'm going to tell you about two friends. That is the two little dicky birds. Would you like to know about two little dicky birds? Yes? Okay. There were two little dicky birds, one named Peter and the other name was Paul. They both loved to always talk together. So once Peter flew away because he had to leave, and Paul felt alone. He was thinking, what will he do sitting without his friend here with? So he also flew away. And after some time, what happened? Can anybody tell me? Peter and Paul flies away. Then what happens? Then Peter comes back. Yes, Peter comes back. Peter flies and comes back and sits on the wall waiting for his friend. He just waits for his friend. And who's his friend? Yes, his friend's name is Paul. So Paul, his friend, also comes back flying, and they both enjoy together and start talking again. They both fly and fly in the sky and keep talking and keep flying and play around. And then what they do? They both come back and sit on the wall where they always meet together. So, children, today we are going to have fun with action rhymes. Okay, children, are you all ready for the fun time? Yes, we are going to learn a rhyme on two little dicky birds. Yes, rhyme on two little dicky birds. So, children, get ready, sit back, and watch the action on the rhyme Two Little Dicky Birds. Are you all ready, children, for the action time? Yes? All you have to do is use your thumb and your pointer finger. Thumb and your pointer finger. Okay? The rest of the fingers will be in like this. Okay, children? Come on, keep your thumb together. Point it together like this and your pointer finger up. Are you all ready? Come on. First you see what teacher is doing, then you do it. Okay, children? So let us start. Two little dicky birds sat on a wall, one named Peter, other named Paul. Fly away, Peter. Fly away, Paul. Come back, Peter. Come back, Paul. Was it fun, children? Yes? Come on, let's do it once again. Two little dicky birds sat on a wall. One named Peter, other named Paul. Fly away, Peter. Fly away, Paul. Come back, Peter. Come back, Paul. Here we have met both the friends. So both the friends are happy together, and you all children are happy too, right? So at home you can do these actions and learn the rhyme too. Bye bye, children. Bye. Children, I hope so. You enjoyed it, right? Okay. Now I want you all to open your books and recite the rhyme. Please be ready, children, with your books. Children, please take out your rhymes and songs book. Children, please open to page number 22. 2 and 2, 22. Rhyme number is 26. Rhyme's name is Two Little Dicky Birds. Two little dicky birds. So let us all recite the rhyme together, children. But before we reciting the rhyme, remember to always name the rhyme. So let us all recite the rhyme together. Two little dicky birds. Two little dicky birds sat upon a wall. One named Peter, the other named Paul. Fly away, Peter. Fly away, Paul. Come back, Peter. Come back, Paul. Let us now repeat the rhyme once again. Two little dicky birds. Two little dicky birds sat upon a wall. One named Peter, the other named Paul. Fly away, Peter. Fly away, Paul. Come back, Peter. Come back, Paul. So here you can see three butterflies, children. How many butterflies are there? Three butterflies. And here there are two birds. Two dicky birds. Two dicky birds. They are sitting on a wall. One named Peter and the other named Paul. Both are best friends. Both talk to each other. One gets bored and flies away. That is, Peter gets bored and flies away. Paul gets bored alone and Paul flies away. Peter flies and comes back and sits on the wall, and Paul too comes back and sits on the wall because they were missing each other. And now they are together sitting on the wall, both the friends, Peter and Paul. So let us now recite the rhyme together, children. Always remember to name the rhyme before reciting it. Two little dicky birds. Two little dicky birds sat upon a wall. One named Peter, the other named Paul. Fly away, Peter. Fly away, Paul. Come back, Peter. Come back, Paul. Very good, children. See that you recite this rhyme every day at home with the help of your parents. And I know that you can do it well. Okay, children? Bye, friends. See you tomorrow. Take care. Have a nice day. Bye-bye.